Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to HTML list. Prior to this session, we have already discussed various aspects of ordered list, where we discuss how to create ordered lists, what are all possible types of ordered list, right? Even though like we have already covered the unordered list part as well. So we have almost covered everything related to unordered list. So in this session, we are going to continue our list series where we will discuss how we can customize the list as per our requirement. So in this part, like we are going to talk about few scenarios, few requirement, so that we will discuss and we will accordingly learn how we can customize and meet the need of our requirement. Okay. So before we start, if you have not watched the previously published session, then I would recommend you to go and check out those sessions first because these all sessions are of the playlist are in proper sequence and sync. Okay, so if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, so yeah, as I mentioned, we are going to utilize the HTML program to understand the requirement of list and accordingly we will customize it. So at the moment you can see I have just noted down the basic code for HTML. You can see it here. We have comment line, heading, which is just showing the title head HTML by Tech Sharmit. So let's save it and refresh the browser. Once you refresh the browser, you will see that the heading is coming like this, HTML by Tech Sharmit. Fine. So we are ready with it, right? So now the next thing is we wanted to understand the list, ordered list, and we will also discuss few scenario. So as everything is related to ordered list itself, so firstly let's create one ordered list. All right. So for that I will write here OL for ordered list. Then here we will put LI for list item. All right. So let's put some item here. For example, laptop. Let me copy one blank li so that we can accordingly, or let's write it. Okay, so laptop, then second item is mobile, then again we will put here for example speaker. Okay, then we will put another item which is head tablet, maybe tablet, and the next one we will put it as maybe printer. Okay, fine. So these are the some item which I have noted down here. So let's save it and refresh your browser. So you will see it is providing me the ordered list. Okay, and this is a default ordered list because we have not applied any type here, but we know like type we have already discussed right in our previous session. But for now we are not applying anything here. We are just displaying the normal default ordered list. So let's give some heading to this list so that we can easily differentiate the meaning. Okay, so here I will use h3 heading 3 and we'll put ordered list, in bracket we will put it as default. Okay, default list. Fine, so it will show under the heading ordered list, default list. Clear. Now the next thing is here we will discuss about the requirement. So my requirement is that right now you can see it is starting from 1 till 5. But due to some reason, if in my project, if someone asked me to start the list from a specific number, for example, I'm preparing one ordered list and I have given with a task that I have to start that list specifically from 100th position or maybe 150th position or maybe 1000 position. It is totally depend on the requirement. So in this situation, how we will customize the default list, because no, we know that default by default it is started with 1 to 5, and we have already discussed the types of list where we discuss like how to start it with A, B, I, right? Sorry, capital A, small a, I, and capital I. But we can't apply that it here, right? So how we can customize it? How we can start it from a specific position? So to do that, let's see how we are doing it. Let me show you the example itself. So firstly, we will put the heading. Heading would be ordered list, and in bracket I will put started from a particular position. Okay, now let's close the parenthesis here. Yeah, now we will put some data, so let me add another new list just to show you the proper difference. So OL and LI, which is list item. For example, here we will write cricket, then we will add. And whenever you are creating tables list, always make sure to provide a proper data. Okay, because sometimes what happen, like we just put the random data, but this is not a good thing, right? So it's always recommend from my it's a recommendation from my end that always put at least 4 to 5 records and in a good manner, not just a random data. Okay, because it will give you clarity, and when once you understand the things with a proper clarity, then you will for sure would be able to understand the all concepts and answer the question in interview. Okay, so we have just added one game as cricket, basketball, football maybe. Then we can add another game which is baseball. Okay, so four is ready. Then the fifth one is maybe volleyball. Okay, so these are the games we have added. Now just save it and refresh your browser. So here you can see the list is still starting from 1 to 5. So is this the correct way? No, it is not, because we have not applied anything yet. We just put the title and we just created the list, nothing else, right? So it's time to customize it. So to customize it, it's quite simple. You just need to write here start, and then you can put the number from where you want to exactly start the list. For example, I want to start it from 100th position, so I can simply put it 100 as start position, then save it and refresh your browser. The moment once you refresh your browser, you will see now the list is started from 100 to 104, which is correct, right? 101, 102, 3, 4. Sequence is perfect. It is incrementing by 1, and but this time the only difference is that it is starting from a particular position. Okay, let's say if I want to start it from 50, is it possible? Or 10? Let's start with 50. Yes, you can change the number directly, and the moment when you refresh your browser, you will see it is started from 50 to 54. So this is the advantage of using start keyword, or you can say start attribute. By just simply adding this start in the ordered list tag, you can customize and you can instruct your code to start the list from a specific position. Like right now we are using it for 50, so it will start the entire list from a 50th position. Okay, okay, now some of you might be thinking, is it possible to start the list with type? Let me show you that example in a quicker way. So let's go with type A. Okay, what will happen if I go in this way? Start type is A and start is 50. Let's see. So it is coming like this. Okay, but my point is, like, is it possible to start it from B? Because A, we know that A we have specified to start it to provide alphabetical order, but now you can see it is not impacting anything. Okay, so for that you can use it with numeric so if I take my mouse here, you will read this. This integer attribute specifies the start value for numbering the individual list item. Although the ordering type of list element might be Roman numerals such as this or letters, the value of start is always represented as a number. To start numbering element from letter C, use OL start 3. Okay, so what it will do, it will start from 3. So this is the reason why we are utilizing it. Okay, so let's say I want to start it from 3. Let's see. So if I refresh it, now you can see it is starting from C to G. Okay, but this thing we will discuss in maybe in the upcoming part, because for now don't get confused and just start it from the, let's keep it as it is, and here we will put number as 50. So by doing this we can easily identify, yes, it is starting from the 50. I'll explain you the other scenarios as well, but for now I think we are good with it. Now let's say I want to do another requirement. My another requirement is that I want to resequence or reverse the number. Okay, I don't want to reverse the data but the number. So let me put the title here, reversed order. Okay, So this time I want to perform reversed order. So for that, what I will do, I will simply go here, remove this part, and here I will put in, simply here I will put reversed. Okay, just a keyword, not a property. Okay, so just save it and refresh your browser. You will see now the data is in the same order: cricket, basketball, football, baseball, volleyball. You can see the data, right? But the sequence is reversed. So this is the advantage of using reverse keyword with your OL tag. So today mainly we have discussed two things: how to start the data from a specific position in a list. I think there is no need to put S, only 50 is sufficient, right? Yeah. So how to start the data from a particular position, and also we discuss how to reverse your data, or order of reversed sequence order. Clear? So yeah, that's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.